Hi Charmers! This is Boxycharm's first astrology video. So today we're going to take our month's featured palette and use it to create a look for
Scorpios.
Stay tuned for what colors are going to be good with Scorpio. Scorpio colors are crimson, burgundy, maroon, those passion colors. So today we're going to create a look that's going to be perfect for Sarah. Okay, so Sarah, you're a Scorpio, correct?
Yes, I am.
When is your birthday?
October 24th.
October 24th. So how much do you know about Scorpios?
That I'm one.
That you are one. She's a Scorpio. And Scorpios, once you hear what a Scorpio is about, it's really going to register with you. I'm sure you can think of a few friends who are like, they're probably a Scorpio. So Scorpios, mysterious Scorpio, is going to be the most misunderstood of the Zodiac signs.
Are we?
You are most misunderstood, and you're also very powerful people. Since they're not very flamboyant or outgoing in a lot of their moods or what they'd like to do or their goals, they use that energy rather to focus on creating a life for themselves. Would that be along with what your goals are?
Little bit.
Yeah. Scorpios are also the most sexually passionate, driven of all the signs. Is that alongside with you? Maybe. What colors would you say? Are the crimson, the reds, the burgundy, do those resonate with you? Yeah.
I love red. That's one of my favorite colors.
Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Palette is the palette that we're going to be talking about today. It's an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils. There are 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. And this is Boxycharm exclusive, people. This is not available for sale anywhere else. Scorpio's colors are crimson, burgundy, maroon, the burning colors of passion, like we spoke about.
Yeah, I love these colors here, the browns and the shimmer.
I think this color would be lovely on you.
Fireball.
I don't know if you want to look at the camera and you can see her beautiful eyes. She has this beautiful coloring, these beautiful eyes, and I think that this color right here, it's called Fireball, would be beautiful to make those pop and stand out, and maybe a little bit of a smoky eyeliner from this storm dust.
I think that's going to be amazing.
Something that I've noticed about Scorpios is they march to the beat of their own drum. They're not quick to hop on the bandwagon for trends, and they really don't care what they are. Does that feel like you? You're going to do...
Yes, I do me.
You do you, and that's kind of represented in your makeup as well. Let's get ready to take this look to life on Sarah's beautiful face, so join us now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
I can't wait.
So today, what I'm going to use, the beautiful Sarah, we're going to start with an eye cream. So this is an amazing eye cream by Juice Beauty. It's anti-wrinkle treatment. It's good on all skin types. It's especially good for those who are starting to show signs of aging. It's infused with vitamin C, and it is a vital routine in getting your makeup done and flawless for the day. So that's what we're going to start with. Look up for me. I'm just gently going to set some on. And I'm going to go ahead and work it in. So if you're ever feeling frustrated with the product, don't be quick to just toss it out and decide that you don't like it. Maybe try using it with your finger or with the applicator. Maybe try a sponge or a brush. Everybody's skin is a little bit different, and it's going to take a little bit different technique to make the product work for your skin. But the products are going to be very hydrating, very good for your skin, and you will notice a huge difference when you're using skin prep for your makeup, your under eye concealer. It's going to go on flawlessly, and you're really going to love it. Gently set it there. Go ahead and look forward for me. And as you can see, we already have some life and some vibrancy already coming to underneath the eye area. So this is the Farsali Gold Skin Mist, and I'm going to use a little bit of this. I like skin mists because they're so multi-purpose, right? You're on a road trip, you're in an airplane, anytime your skin needs a little love, this is perfect. Before makeup, after makeup, it's really up to you. So this Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist is gonna be a 4-in-1, and we're just gonna use a little bit to prep Sarah's face, okay? So just close your eyes and you'll feel, I'm just gonna, how does that feel? It smells wonderful, right?
Gosh,
Everyone at home can't smell this, but you're gonna love it. It smells amazing, not too much, but very subtle. Her skin, this is just the first step in getting that nice hydrating. It's nice and light, and it's perfect for what we're about to do. So I've already started with a base on our face. We're just getting her prepped, and now we're gonna do an eye look. And it's gonna be a little bit more of a simple eye look. I'm gonna take this Fireball right here, pack it on the brush. Close for me. I'm gonna start in the center of the eye and just pat this on. And you can see at different angles that color is gonna kind of give off different hues. You see that? Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and close for me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and layer that again so it is really potent. I'm a huge fan of layer and layer and layer rather than trying to get all in one big take. This is a beautiful look that's gonna pair nice with, look at these lips, we're ready to put some nice crimson on those, right? Yes. Just to play up the contrast a bit, I'm gonna take a little bit of this storm dust and create a little bit more contrast in our eye. So close for me. I'm just gonna bring it on this outside portion. Tap the brush off, you'll get less fallout. The key to any bold, fierce lip is start with a lip liner. I know it feels like an extra step, but A, it'll help keep your lipstick on all day, no matter the product, and it will definitely give that crisp, clean look that we're all going for. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a red lip liner. It may feel a little bit tedious to go over it with a lip liner a few times, but this will really make the rest of your lip application a lot quicker. So a little bit of time here saves you a lot of time in the long run. Okay, charmers, so the color that I'm gonna use today is called Charm. Cute, right? So it's this dark red color, it's like a burgundy. Perfect for our Scorpio here, those colors of passion, right, that we were talking about. And these are exclusive colors to Boxycharm, these dosive colors. So I'm just gonna go for it. Just start right in the center. So I'm just gonna set this look now with this Farsali spray that we were talking about. And one thing that I forgot to mention is that it's actually infused with little gold flakes, which is amazing, right? Who doesn't love that? So close for me. And there goes the final look, you guys. Remember, Scorpios, stay true to you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this useful. Bye, charmers.